Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by identifying the scratch depth, light, medium, or deep, because the fix steps change. Once identified, clean the area with warm soapy water and a microfiber cloth to remove oils and debris. This prevents further scratching. Make sure to dry fully, then test your compound and tool on an inconspicuous area so you know the reaction. You will work in the direction of the metal grain. This is crucial to blend the repair and avoid cross-grain marks. Now you sand or rub. For light scratches, use 0000 steel wool and gentle strokes with the grain. Medium scratches benefit from 800-1200 grit sandpaper, wet sanding in a consistent direction. Once the scratch is visually reduced, apply a small amount of rubbing compound and buff with a microfiber pad. This removes fine abrasion marks and restores sheen. Make sure to inspect frequently under good light, because oversanding removes finish. Finish by applying a dedicated stainless polish and buffing in long strokes with a clean cloth to even out luster. This also helps hide any residual micro marks. Once done, apply a thin layer of appliance wax to protect the repair and make future cleaning easier. If a deep gouge remains visible, you can use touch-up kits matched to your finish or contact a professional. If polish smears or grain appears wrong, stop, re-clean, and resand gently in the correct grain direction to correct it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.